I'm the best Muslim. I'm the best Muslim. Yes, I am.
Now it's my turn to become the best Muslim! To the core, so hardcore.
I'm the best Muslim. I'm the best Muslim. Yes,
I'm the best Muslim!
Oh, just a little more, and then I could take a nap. Wash the spoon, the fork, the TV remote, pillow, towel, iPad, the cat. I need some backup. Kid!
I'm the best Muslim.
I'm the best Muslim! Yes! Let me tell you, bro, as the best Muslim, I don't have time to watch movies anymore.
But it's Justice League versus the Avengers!
What?
Versus Tom and Jerry!
Still so many tasks. Oh well, first cooking and then a nap. Astaghfirullah.
Versus Muhammad Ali! Versus Dragon Ball.
Oh, kid, I'm so glad you're here. I need you.
I think I have enough time to go to the most important movie of all time and still be the best Muslim. Let's go! Sorry, Mom, I'm busy.
Busy? Yellow, nice to meet you. I can't wait to see his face when his taste buds explode from this delicious meal. Bon appetit.
Mom, I gotta go. I'll eat at the cinema. Bye, Mom. Assalamu alaikum.
Eat at the cinema?
Surprise! Happy Mother's Day!
What did you say? Happy Mother's Day?
And you give me a broom?
Today is Angry Mother's Day. I'm sorry, Mom. Ow.
You are not the best Muslim.
Kid!
Huh? Huh? I have to check on Mother. She needs my help. Finished.
Alhamdulillah. Thank you, my little hero.
I'll be back.
my favorite food! Thank you, Mommy!
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Bismillah.
This tastes like heaven! Kid, thank you for helping me today. You are such a good kid, mashallah.
Mom, I will not help you only today. I will help you every single day. For me, every day is Mother's Day. Even if I help you for the rest of my life, it will not be enough to give back what you have given me. Oh, my beautiful mother.
Oh, Alhamdulillah.
Muslim, level up! You are the best Muslim!